Hey, so I just wanted to give you guys another quick tip on some auto maintenance. When you're doing an oil change, try to do this. Or remember to try to do this when you're doing an oil change. It's also a good time to check all the lights on your vehicle for burnt out bulbs and stuff like that. You've seen a bunch of videos with Steve and I working in the shop, and usually when we do an oil change, I'll get in the car and I'll turn the headlights on, the high beams, and hit the turn signals left and right, put my foot on the brake and put the vehicle in reverse, make sure we have backup brakes and that the tag lights work and stuff like that, that all the lights are working pretty good. You want to do that because, you don't want to get pulled over if possible. And you want the other drivers to be able to know when you're braking, if your brake lights are working, if those bulbs are working, and which direction you're going to turn and stuff like that. We don't have inspection here up in New Hampshire anymore. We just get rid of it in the state. So yeah, every oil change, I usually do oil changes every 7,500 miles. Some people do them every 5 grand. And that, like I said, that's a great time to check all your bulbs to make sure everything's working correctly. If you guys like the video, give us a hype the video on your mobile phone. It'd really help us out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We love hearing from you guys. Take it easy, and thanks for watching another one of our videos.